Shalom, Yashra. Well, Unc here. I just want to come with another update. Got some very good news. They finally released our Brother Thoughts Camera Actions channel back. He sent me an email the other day and let me know that he'll be back soon. So I was going to make an update video, but then I just seen today when I was out at work that I got a notification that a lesson was released from him. And I clicked on it. I'm like, wow. And then I seen another sister put a comment that said he uploaded a video, but it was private. So I went and I seen. So I'm just writing you to let you guys know, because it's hard. What I found out, I wasn't going to make the video, but when I got home, I went to search the channel on my computer and it wouldn't pop up. And I'm like, what happened? I'm like, I know I seen it on my phone. So I went to my history and it wasn't in my history. So I'm like, oh man. I said, so maybe I do need to make the video, because I wasn't going to make it because I'm like, okay, now he's back. So I don't got to make a video letting you guys know that he's back, because he sent me an email, told me that, no worries, he'll be back soon. And that was yesterday or the day before. So I wrote him back and I let him know that I was going to make a video and let the nation know that he'll be coming back soon, because that all you guys loved him and you all missed him. And then I was going to make the video probably today or tomorrow. But when I was out at work tonight, I seen his channel was up. I was like, oh, wow, that was quick. So I was like, okay, well, I don't got to make the video. He's back. Everybody will get the notifications. But then when I got home and I tried to look for it, his channel, I'm like, what is going on? So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let me share screen. Show you exactly what I'm talking about. Share screen. Okay. So this is YouTube, right? So when I typed in Thoughts Camera Action, this is what came up in the search, right? That's not his channel right there. That's just people making videos about his channel, right? See that? None of these are his channel. So I'm going to show you in live action. So if you're going to try to find them and you type in Thoughts Camera Action, right? His channel should pop up. But look what pops up. Nothing. That's not his channel right here. Just to give you context, I'm going to type in my channel. Uncle Yashua TV. Look, my channel pops up. See? This is what's supposed to pop up when you type in his. I'm gonna go a step further. I'm gonna just type in Uncle Yashua. So you probably say, well, you didn't type in the whole thing. Watch this. Look, I still pop up, right? So that's what should happen when you type in Thoughts Camera Action, right? Okay, so let's type in Thoughts. Look, now, so for some of you say, well, he has no spaces in the title. Thoughts Camera Action. Look, now, watch this. Look at that. They ask you for some of his videos, right? So let's do this one. Look. Look, now I come up really early, one of my videos, right? You got a set apart channel that came up. But look, now his channel. You see? Now, let me go back. Let's type another one. Here's one on, I don't know, GOCC. Look. His old video from TCA TV. See that? But his channel doesn't show up. I know, nephew, I know you didn't know this when you watched this video. I know you didn't notice. So I'm going to, that's why I was going to make a video because I'm like, he's already back. But then when I tried to find him, guys, I'm like, I can't even find him. I had to go to my phone, go to that one, open it, try to send a link to my video to pull up his channel. I had to go through all of that just to pull up his channel. Okay, so I did that. I did thoughts, camera, action. I did them, no spaces between. I did them with a space between. Now watch this tricky stuff right here, guys. Watch this. Watch this. Okay. See, nothing came up. Where is it? How did it come up before? Let me try this. It was a thing that popped up that said, do you mean this? All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it with no spaces. Let me see if that do you mean. There we go. Now, so look what it said. I typed it in with no spaces, right? Now look at what came up. Still ain't his channel, right? Now, watch this. It said, it is showing results for thoughts, camera, action. Search instead for thoughts, camera, action, just like I spelled here. So if I spell this right here, this is what this is right here. So then why should something different come up if I click on this versus if I typed it in here? Now watch this. I'm gonna click it. That's his channel. Now y'all see him before your eyes. Nephew, look at this, King. Now his channel come up. Still none of his videos. Look, my videos come up. These are two of my videos. Is that one of his videos? Yeah, TCA TV when he had TCA TV. But look what I'm telling you. So when I clicked that link, it took me to his channel. Now let me go back. But look, I typed the same exact thing in the search bar. Do y'all see? There is no difference. Lowercase, thoughts, camera, action. Lowercase, thoughts, camera, action. So why would it not pull up his page? But I got to click here. Now it's going to pull up his page. So that means his page is not discoverable. Because look, when I put in mines, let me see. Mines is. Now let me see if I put mines in with no space. What happened? Let's see. Look, I'm still here. So that was my point with his. It should come up no matter what. But look, now they ask me, did I mean this? But they still showing me mines. You see? You see that? See the difference? Now watch, let me click. It's still showing me mines. So nephew, they don't have you searchable. Look, let's do thoughts, camera, action, TCA. Let's cover all bases. That same stuff. The same video comes up all the time first. Look, and then all these other things, none of his. Look, mine's come up. This one, mine's come up kind of early on his page. So on the page when you're searching for him. So now, guys, I'm making this part because I want you to know that in order to find him, you have to click in thoughts, camera, action. I'm going to show you one time. Type in thoughts, camera, action, right? Then hit enter. No. You got to type it in with no spaces. Type it in with no spaces. This is crazy that you got to do all this, right? Hit enter. Now it's going to tell you that it's showing results for thoughts, camera, action. Search instead for this thoughts, camera, action, which is what you just typed in. Then click this link and you can find this page. Incredible, King. Incredible. All right, guys. So Nephew's channel is back. Matter of fact, let me go to his channel. Let me go back forward. Click on it. There we go. His channel is back, right? This is his channel. He put some new videos out. He put the Marine Kingdom one out today. That's crazy. I just did this Marine Kingdom one, but we didn't release it yet. Nephew, I did this about a month ago. My assembly will tell you, I was watching some of the clips you got. I got them in mind. I don't know when I'm going to release it, though. So he got some new videos out. He put one out today. So, and he got, quite sure he got a lot more coming. This is what I want to say. Listen clearly. For all of y'all who say y'all love Nephew, right? I know a lot of y'all were concerned. A lot of y'all wrote on my video. Sorry, I didn't get a chance to answer everybody. To the people who wanted to know if I could send them the downloads, all the ones I download, it would have been impossible because it's like I download almost 200 videos. So I have no way to know how to condense all of that to even send it to you. So praise y'all. Y'all don't have to now. His channel is up. If you can, pay for a downloader and download all his videos. That's what I did. I paid for a downloader and I downloaded all his videos, all Dolby videos, all certain videos. My Ak got a lot of his videos on his channel, but he tried to put the link on my video, video for you guys in the comment section, and YouTube banned it. So he couldn't put the link. So now this is what I want to tell y'all. For all of y'all who say y'all love Nephew, thoughts, camera, action. If you really love him, the next time you see him putting up something that you might think will get his channel deleted again. I know all of us are hoping, he don't do it again. But if you really love him, when that happens, write in the comments. Everybody write in the comments, Nephew, take this video down. This mic could get you deleted. We worried about you. Like, we are called to look out for one another, not after tense, okay? So be proactive, not reactive. So if you see something that you think, you see him going at the wish people are hard or going at something flagrant, because a lot of us think GOCC might have been the ones that got him shut or some of the other camps. If you see it, then call him out. Ask him to take it down. Tell him you need his channel. Okay. So, because I'm not always watching. I'm very busy. So I'm not always watching his channel like a lot of you guys are. Just like he don't watch my channel all the time. He watch some videos. He don't watch all of them because he's busy. We got ministries, we're working. So you guys that watch all the time, every video, I might miss something and I don't see it. Okay, so when I saw it a long time ago, I tried to tell him. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you love him, then pull his coat when you might see something that he might not see, and they might think it might get his channel taken down. So if you want him to keep his channel, then we all have to look out for one another. Okay? So welcome back, Nephew. Shalom. And I'll be reaching out, and if I ever see something that I feel might get you canceled again, I'm gonna be reaching out, Nephew. It's all in love, so you know what it is. Let's go. We got kingdom building to do. All right, Yashua. I'm just tired. It's 7 a.m. I've been working all night, so I know y'all can hear the tiredness in my voice. So I'm just getting home, eating. So I'm gonna make this video. Make the thumbnail and all that, put it up so I can get me some rest. I'm tired, guys. All right, remember, TCA's video This channel is back, guys. So I showed you guys how to search if you can't find it, and share how to search it with someone else. I love you all. Like and subscribe to Uncle Yahshua Truth TV for some edifying lessons. We going in. All right, playtime is over. All right, Yahshua, love you all. Shalom.
He had secures and hooks us tight, a gift from Yah, eternal life. He sent his son, a sacrifice, to show how much he loves us. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, you are loved. You are loved, oh, you are loved. You are loved by Yahuwah.
Praise Yah.
Praise Yah. Praise Yah. Hallelujah.
Bible study every Tuesday, 8 p.m. We having a Zoom Bible study. I'm gonna put email me for the link.
I'm a lion of the tribe of Judah. Say it again. You are the precious chosen people of the Most High. You got that right.
We hope you have a good time watching our videos, and we'll see you in the next video.
And we'll see you in the next video. So like and subscribe.
Our channel.
Yeah.
We are the true Hebrews, the true and real Israelites. We are the true ones that fulfill Bible prophecy and scripture.